Okay, let's do a tutorial for that grand Allegro. So, our first count of 3-4 timing is PK, PK. So that's 2 measures. Then you're going to step on it and come to cabriole. That's 3. This would be 4. This would be 5. Step, step. 6, 7, and 8. This would be 1. I know it's hard. You're facing the wrong direction. I'll do it the other way in a second, okay? So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. You start to turn. Step. This would be 1, 2, and this would be 3, 4. Then this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna go PK again, and jump, and cross. Okay, let's do it facing the other direction. So I'll start this way, and PK, PK, step cabriole, PK, and gallop, step, step, jeté to pirate. This is 3 and 4. Then this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't go too far on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you come all the way around, PK, jump and cross. Okay, let's go to the left side, facing this way to start. So you'd be here, you go PK, PK, step, cabriole, PK. Here we go, gallop, jeté to the side, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops, I went too far. Hold it in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you got this. I'll put the music below this video.